Bjørn Koblin, 2-2 here in Horsens. Try to describe the game for us.
Yeah, it's a crazy game. It feels like a really big win today because 85 minutes and with a red card. So we were very happy after the game. Also because of Paul, he have a new, what is it called? Oh, fuck. He has a new record. Yes, a new record. So yeah, it's perfect. So also a good present for the coach. He has birthday today. So yeah, 2-2 is a good result after a red card.
So you are quite satisfied with the 1 point?
Today, yes. Usually I want 3 points, but if you get after 5 minutes a red card, then you have to accept sometimes that's okay, 1 point.
Can you try to describe which kind of influence the red card had on the game?
Yeah, I was happy that it isn't happened against Midtjylland, so because they play much better football. So there come a lot of Horsens comes a lot of set pieces. They're very good in set pieces, but yeah, maybe it was okay for us because they have to make the game. Yeah. But we was happy after 1 point. We won a point, so perfect.
And you scored a goal today. Can you describe the goal for us?
Yeah, that's crazy. That is really crazy. Yeah, my goal. I run only the line, then Quincy saw me. I take a good first touch. It was okay, I think, but yeah, I wanted to make the goal, so I wasn't sure that I score.
Okay, thank you.